Good afternoon, everybody. This is Steve Fletcher with a trumpet for my people. Today is February 22nd, 2024. Sorry about my video last night. That was me doing a video, not really wanting to do a video. And it didn't turn out very well, and so I deleted that video. I'm going to go over some of this information with you here now. And there's more information coming in, and so I just want to give you this update. February 22nd, 2024, beyond it being 222, February 22nd, 222, on the Torah calendar, which most correctly follows the new moon of the 12th month. This is the 12th month on both the Hebrew and the Torah calendar, but February 22nd is the 12th day of the 12th month. So we do have today a very important marker between the number 222 and the number 12, 12, 12. Even 24 can be divided by 2 and into 12, and even in the Hebrew year 5784, 84 being a derivative of 12 also, by 7. So 222, 12, 12, 12. On this day, right now, between yesterday and today, and many reports are showing that today is the closest conjunction of Mars and Venus. Today is the closest conjunction of Mars and Venus. Mars being the planet of war, and Venus being the bright morning star. And so if there's a conflict here between the planet of war, or war being made on Jesus Christ, the bright morning star, this is a very important conjunction here on February 22nd. Now, one of the other very important pieces of information that is coming out is 3590, sunspot 3590 has already shot out 2 X-class solar flares from the same region, and these are both Earth-facing. Okay, I don't know if we've seen the effects of the second X-flare yet. I think the first X-flare is what is already causing the outages nationwide of many cellular networks. I mean, I can just go through my YouTube subscription feed, and 2 massive solar flares almost bring end of the world. Nationwide cellular outages after massive solar flares. Massive Earth-directed sunstorms right before nationwide cellular outage. No service nationwide cell phone outage. 2 X-flares with radio blackouts and cellular network outages. Okay, so this is a major piece of information connected to signs in the sun. There will be signs in the sun, moon, and stars. Okay, now 3590. If we go to the Hebrew concordance, 3590 is a spark. It only takes a spark to get a fire going. Can I get a witness? Amen. Hallelujah. It only takes a spark to get a fire going. 3590 in the Greek is the 8th. The 8th day. The 8th day. And the 8th king. Revelation 17:11. He is the 8th king. Okay, the 8th king of Revelation, the 8th, 3590. This is the spot. Okay, things are happening right now that are very, very important. We do not know the day or the hour of the return of Jesus Christ, but everything is pointing to any moment now. These could be the final warnings. We do not know, but let us continue watching. The other thing that connects us to where we are now is Acts 28, verse 11. It says, after 3 months we departed in a ship of Alexandria, which had wintered in the isle, whose name was Castor and Pollux, whose sign was Castor and Pollux. We just saw a ship hit in the Red Sea with the name of Pollux on it. The Yemen Houthis just attacked a ship on February 17th in the Red Sea with the name of Pollux. And it says, after 3 months we departed in a ship of Alexandria, which had wintered in the isle. In other words, we've got the timing right. It's the end of winter. It's the 3rd month of winter. It's the 12th month right now on the Hebrew calendar. It's February on the Gregorian calendar. And we departed in a ship of Alexandria, and the number of the ship of Alexandria is 222. So this also connects us with where we are now with the sunspots, and it connects us with the 12th day of the 12th month. Remember, the 12th day of the 12th month is just before Purim. On the Torah calendar, Purim is in February, and we're just before Purim. Purim is the time of the appointed day of the annihilation of the Jews. In the time of Esther with Haman, they had set a day for the 13th and the 14th day of the 12th month. And so is this pointing to our escape before the annihilation, before the beginning of the destruction, before the beginning of the Great Tribulation? This is the time we are at right now. 222. We departed in a ship from Alexandria. It's 12:12 on the Hebrew calendar, on the Torah calendar, just before the timing of Purim. So all of this is very important. When we're getting signs like this, is this pointing to our departure? Leave the world behind. Remember the movie Leave the World Behind and all of the power outages? And the message of the movie is leave the world behind. There's no going back to normal. And the power outages were part of that movie. So here we have all of this connected to it. So we've been watching the last few days from February 17th to February 20th to February 21st. Now we're here at February 22nd, and no man knows the day or the hour, but I do know that Jesus is going to be coming any moment, any day, in the blink of an eye. We need to be ready, stay alert, stay watchful. So I pray you guys are all blessed. This is Steve Fletcher with a trumpet for my people, the sign of his coming revealed.